Welcome to today's outlook. Going to start off with dollar yen. Still have this structure that I'm looking at this channel. No breakdown yet. Still plenty of time. Something I'll be looking at for the long term anyway. Something like this. No breakdown though, no trade. Monday's high. We also have this higher time frame level coming in that I'd like to see broken down. So still plenty of time today, and there's no real panic. It's just I can't trade. Well, not that I can't trade, that I just don't like trading continuations. Like this, I think the bigger moves are in reversals, and I try to get involved as close to the top of those as possible. I'll just show you the higher time frame level. It's this here. If we can show you the support, resistance, and a little bit of resistance in here. So that's the reason why that level's key for me. Yeah, and that's really it. There's nothing more to say on dollar yen until we get that breakdown. Pound CAD I shared yesterday on my blog. These weekly levels, I thought we were stuck in this range. Low, high. So I seen that we came up, took out a lot of stops into this resistance and acted very aggressively to the downside. So once we broke this level, you can go check out the blog. I was looking at the breakdown of this higher time frame level and Monday's. If I can get this tool to work, there, breakdown and reaction from Monday's level. So got the breakdown, reaction, stop above, swing high, and we're selling off. How far we go, I do not know. What will negate this is if we start closing back inside this, up inside higher time frame level and Monday's low, and then it's probably going to go higher. So keeping an eye on that. In that at the moment, and there's not much else to say. Dollar Swiss weekly levels. I know this instrument's quite choppy, so the levels are quite hard to get, but I just play it by level to level really. I was looking to break down below Monday's levels, and it's gone higher and higher. So that's off the board, and there's nothing really I can do about that. Just let it unfold, and we'll see if there's any turning point at all, and if there is, then I'll get involved with it. Just like EURUSD daily levels, said at the start of the week, I'll get involved with this. To the downside, a bit like pound CAD, in the fact that we broke this structure, and then straight back to the level, which is a bad sign. Usually you want some sort of rounded price action to get that retest, but if you break it and come straight back down, that's a bad sign. Was looking a break and retest of Monday's level to get in. We just broke and we never really came back. It was just far too weak, so bias was correct, but just couldn't get involved in that, which is fine. That's trading, nothing is perfect. And pound, not interested in at the moment. I did have levels marked out, but just couldn't get involved in that. I just couldn't catch it, which is, me trying to trade continuations is quite tough. I like to trade reversals, as you know. Quite interesting levels on euro pound coming in to play. It's just these highs. So we sold off here, sold off here, sold off. So I like to trade reversals. We've come up and took major levels. So I'll be looking for what I like to see in breakdowns. I'll probably leave it for the rest of the week. If we get nice closes back below here, let me get a thick. So back below the higher time frame levels, and then I'll start looking for setups on euro pound. I'll finish it off with trade recap that we took in the group. So I'll just get the picture up actually. this was the levels that we had marked out. Target, how to enter. There's a break above here, stop below here, which is exactly 2 hour, and this is where we take most of the trade off, i.e. about 90%, and then let the rest run. But we were expecting a huge reaction from this level. So if I go to Euro Yen, you can see the reaction from that level was what we expected. So that was quite nice in the group. There's a few other trades that I'll go over on in the blog. I'll put that up. But if you like the video, please just give it a like and maybe comment, so that, you know, it gives me the drive to do these every day, because there's not much interaction with them. So I'm not too sure if I should continue doing them, but I do enjoy giving out my views in the market, but would like a little bit more interaction, because then what's the point? But anyway, wishing you all the best of luck with the rest of today, and I'll catch you tomorrow.